when you upgrade Windows from an old version to a newer version, Windows tend to keep a copy of the old version just in case you want to go back to the old version for some reason. However, if you do not see yourself the need to go back to the old version of Windows, or if you just want to free up some disk space on your computer, then you should delete the old version of Windows to free up the space. To find out where does Windows store its old version, you go to the Windows Explorer here, go to this PC, go to C drive, and there's the old version of Windows, and it is right now, let's see how big it is. It is roughly 18 gig. So when we are done, 18 gig of free space will be available for use. So I'm gonna cancel this, and I'm gonna. So of course you can always delete this folder, but a better way is to let Windows do the cleanup. That way, you will not accidentally delete any file that is important for the current version of Windows. So to do that, you simply go here, go to this PC, right click on the C drive, go to Properties, go to here, right here under the General tab, there is a disk cleanup. So when you click here, and so if you do not click on this button right here, it will clean up all these things right here, which is not bad, but you want that those 18.1 gig to be removed from the drive, and that is the system file. So system file usually means Windows, right? So I click there, and it does its thing. And now we see it. So now, in addition to the previous items on the previous list, you will see right down there. See that? Right there. Older version of Windows. Where is it? Right there. Previous Windows installation. So I'll check that. That's roughly 20 gig, as you've seen previously. Since we're here, we might as well remove the temporary Windows installation files. So these files were there when you first install Windows. These files were not created when you upgrade from Windows to the new version of Windows. This has always been there. So in other words, in addition to the roughly about 20 gig of free space you're going to save, you also gain another about 7.3 gig. So it's a win-win situation. So the rest is pretty minor stuff, really small little files. So I'll leave them alone. So click OK. Are you sure you want to delete these files? Yes, delete the files. And let's wait. So I'm going to pause. Yes. So this will give you a warning of something that I already said, that Windows telling you that when this Windows, the Windows old folder is removed, you cannot go back to the previous version of Windows, which we already know. So I'm going to yes. Alright, so I'm going to pause the video right now because this may take several minutes. So I'll come back when it's finished. Okay. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes and Windows has finished removing the files that I had checked previously. So I'm going to close now. Okay, so refresh a little bit here. See that? Is now the use space has been reduced quite substantially actually. Alright, I guess that's it. Oh yeah, so let's go back to C. Windows O. You can see it was before this step it was 18.1 gig, and now it is 0 bytes. Right. If you wish, you can just delete this folder, or you can. It looks like you have to restart the computer before this can be removed. Okay, it's a minor little thing anyway. So.